I'm an anthropologist by training, and when I learned that architects don't get to see their buildings with people in them, that's not part of the standard services. I was absolutely flabbergasted. That's crazy, but it's tricky getting back into the buildings actually.
Why?
Maybe they've seen enough of the architect when I'm not sure.
I will not comment.
We there could be different reasons, right? But I think we found certainly that actually getting back in and doing the evaluation. One thing is coming back and visiting and talking to people, but actually doing an evaluation can be a little bit invasive, right? You need somebody to hang around, talk to people, if maybe for a week, maybe for 2 weeks if you're really serious about it. So,
Yeah.
so it's a big decision. Sometimes the building owner is not the same as a tenant. There's a whole sort of landscape of conflicting interests that all got to be aligned for something like this to happen, and somebody's got to pay for it in the end, of course. So that challenges that side of it. And I think that's where some of the technologies that we're talking about here potentially can come in. So we've been looking at how to use computer vision to not count individuals or people, but rather count these quantifiable proxies for social interaction. So a camera can recognize two, three persons in three chairs around a table, or they could count us as three people, or they could count us as a situation talking, right? Which can be an indicator of what goes on in a certain type of space. So we've been looking at ways of scaling that information in ways that were less invasive and where we can tap into systems already there in the building, which hopefully can make this easier.